Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bon Bon in Fredbear's Mega Roleplay. First, upon entering the game, you'll want to navigate directly to the main spawn point. From there, locate the prominent, colorful building usually situated near the central plaza. This structure is a key hub for many character acquisitions, including our target, Bon Bon. It's a straightforward first step to begin your journey. Once inside the main building, make your way up to the second floor. You'll want to keep an eye out for a room that stands out with a very specific blue and pink color palette. This particular room is where Bon Bon is usually located. It's designed to be easily recognizable, so you shouldn't have too much trouble spotting it among the other rooms on that level. Just follow the vibrant colors. After you've successfully located the blue and pink room and found Bon Bon, the next step is to interact with the character model. Simply walk up to Bon Bon and press your designated action key, which is often E or a similar prompt. A small pop-up message should then appear on your screen, confirming that Bon Bon has been successfully added to your character roster. It's a quick and simple interaction. To ensure everything worked correctly, open your character selection menu. You should now see Bon Bon listed as a selectable option among your available characters. This confirms that the unlock process was successful. You can now choose Bon Bon and begin enjoying your roleplay experience with this new addition. Have fun exploring the game world as Bon Bon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.